Rosa, Noah, and Lucas have finally joined Dark War Survival in Season 4. But how strong are they really, and should we invest in them? Welcome back to Meta Instincts. Today's video will benchmark these new heroes and show whether they are worth adding to your lineup. Hero attributes. Rosa belongs to the shooter faction, Noah to the fighter faction, and Lucas to the rider faction. These three heroes are exclusive to Season 4. So if you haven't reached this season yet, don't worry, they will be waiting for you when you arrive. Now, let's talk about how they perform. All orange heroes in Dark War Survival have the same basic skill mechanics. Their active skills and normal attacks deal with the same damage factor in troop battles. For example, Rosa and Evans deal 600% of their attack with their level 1 active skill. Thus, skills aren't a deciding factor for the new heroes. The real difference lies in their attributes. If we add their attack and defense stats, Season 4 heroes come out on top. A new Season 4 hero has a total attribute score of 628, compared to just 524 for a Season 1 hero. This significantly increases, showing why heroes in the newer season are naturally stronger. Remember, as discussed in the previous video, all heroes' attributes are combined into a single attribute pool. That means, when you replace an older hero with a newer one, your entire formation receives a boost in power. This makes upgrading to Season 4 heroes a must. Exclusive equipment. Another significant advantage of Rosa, Noah, and Lucas is their access to exclusive equipment. Only 4 of 6 orange heroes in each faction have exclusive gear. For shooters, Evans and Megan do not have it. If you replace Megan with Rosa, your shooter team can access 4 sets of exclusive equipment instead of 3. Exclusive equipment is crucial because it not only adds troop damage, health, and faction counters but also unlocks extra skill effects for heroes. For example, Darian's exclusive equipment boosts the damage of his active skill. This makes each hero slightly unique. Having more exclusive equipment in your formation is better. So, exclusive equipment has become one of the selling points of these new heroes. If you're buying a bundle in Dark War Survival, GemZ is ready to help you save more and get more value. GemZ helps thousands of players save digital taxes and offers up to 15% discount on bundles. For example, UK players would pay over $125 for the same bundle, which only sells at $100 for the US players. With GemZ, it's just $87.99, saving over 30% from digital tax and discount, and you save even more as you spend. Plus, first-time users will get a $10 credit for any bundle. Inviting friends can earn you an additional $20 in in-game rewards. Take advantage of flash deals and giveaways on their Discord server. Click the link in the description and start saving today with GemZ. How to get them? Since our primary formation is shooter-based, Rosa will be our top priority. It only takes 10 fragments to unlock her. If you don't want to spend money, you can wait until the new heroes are added to free recruitment options. Usually this happens about 1 month after their release. You can then find them in the lucky chest or through elite recruitment. If you want them immediately, you can buy 10 fragments from the daily sale for $5. That is enough to unlock the hero. Afterward, you can use orange versatile hero fragments to increase their star level. As for exclusive equipment, there is no free method now. Unlocking it requires purchasing the exclusive equipment choice pack, which costs $5 for 10 fragments. That is enough to unlock the gear. Once unlocked, you can ascend its star level with versatile exclusive equipment fragments. However, the availability of these fragments is minimal for free-to-play players. To upgrade faster, you must purchase bundles like the exclusive equipment pass. Alright, it is the end of the sharing today. Please like and share it with your members. I'm Alan from Meta Instincts. See you soon.